Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this DEKOPRO 228-piece toolkit. So it comes in this really nice hard case. Let's open it up and see how it looks. Wow, everything is very organized. Okay, so there was just a couple sockets out of place, but other than that, this looks like a really nice toolkit. Everything has its own place. Okay, so let's take a look at the pliers. Now, I like that everything snaps into a place so that you can keep it there. We've got some needle nose. Yeah, these look okay. A crescent wrench. This is going to be a really important tool you're going to use a lot. Let's take a look at the hammer. We got a nice hammer here. It's not super heavy duty, but it's going to get the job done. Nice and grippy. And another thing you're going to use a lot of are the bits. So I like that there's a description of what goes there, what it is, so if you lose it, and you've got lots and lots of these bits. Yeah, you're going to use, some of the stars, the T's, and these hex, these H5s and different ones. Looks like we got some zip ties underneath. We got some blades, but it does come with a knife. Okay, it's okay. Allen wrenches. So you're going to use Allen wrenches quite a bit. These are metric Allen wrenches. I like that that comes out like that. Yeah, looks nice. Bit holder. Oh, we got some long bits here. Yep, very nice. Even a socket bit holder. So you can put this in your drill and get a small 1/4-inch socket, and then you can do that. Yeah, this looks like a really nice kit. Very well put together. It's got a row of metric sockets from 4 to 19. All right, let's take a look up here. It's like a 3/8 ratchet. Ooh, that's nice and heavy. Extension, we got some combination wrenches, look like metric. So pretty much a lot of the tools are metric. We got a tape measure. Yeah, you can lock it. Yep, not bad. Little screwdriver. Ooh, I like the ratcheting screwdriver. We can put our bits in here, and this ratchets. Move it either way. These are real nice. And just standard Phillips, nice big grippy handle. Now I like that it has, I like these jewelers, these really small screwdrivers. You're going to use these a lot. Different ones. And again, they fit into place. It does come with a few fasteners. Oh, that's nice. These are just clamps. You know, I might use these for chip clips or something, but it does come with this little mini hacksaw. Yeah, that's kind of neat. You know, it's meant for small jobs. Got a wire cutters here, just something that, you know, if you just need something, and to, you know, so a lot of times it's just knowing where a tool is. And if you keep this kit together, everything's going to be together. So let's close it. Again, I like everything stays put while I'm closing it. Nice, nice carrying handle. It even stands upright. There's kind of a description of everything it's got in it. Nice heavy duty handle. It doesn't take up a lot of room. You know, this is really nice. All right, left to right, 17 1/4. This way is about 13 1/2. Depth-wise, you know, you're looking at about 3 3/4. And they even have what that stands for, designated for extraordinary kindness only, DEKO. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.